Every few years, Apple doesn't just update the iPhone, they reset the direction of smartphones. The iPhone X did it, the iPhone 12 refined it, and now, according to early leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro Max in 2026 might be next. A new design, a new level of performance, and possibly the most complete flagship Apple has ever built. Today, this is your first serious look at the iPhone 18 Pro Max. What's changing, what's risky, and why this phone could quietly dominate 2026. Let's start with the design. Apple rarely rushes design changes. They wait, they perfect, then they strike. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max may introduce under-display Face ID, signaling the possible end of the dynamic island. That means an almost uninterrupted full-screen display. The frame is expected to remain titanium, but refined for a lighter construction, better grip, and a more durable finish. Rumors also point towards solid-state haptic buttons, which would reduce mechanical wear and improve water resistance. This isn't a redesign for attention, it's a redesign for longevity. Next, the display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature a 6.9-inch LTPO display, pushing Apple's leadership even further. We're talking adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz up to a buttery smooth 144 Hz, significantly higher peak brightness, and improved power efficiency. But Apple's real advantage isn't just numbers, it's calibration, color accuracy, motion smoothness, and outdoor readability. This display won't just look good in reviews, it'll feel better in daily use. At the heart of it all is Apple's upcoming A20 Pro chip, reportedly built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. What does that mean? Major performance gains, better thermal efficiency, and dramatically improved AI processing. Apple isn't building this chip just for speed. They're building it for on-device intelligence. Where AI runs locally, your data stays private, and performance is instant. With iOS 20, we expect AI to be fully integrated across the system, but in a very Apple way. Think smarter, Siri real-time photo enhancements, and context-aware suggestions that feel natural, not invasive. The camera system is expected to continue Apple's philosophy of refinement over revolution. Rumors suggest a larger 48-megapixel main sensor and an improved periscope telephoto lens. If you shoot video, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will likely set the standard once again. And with a more efficient A20 Pro chip and smarter power management, we're expecting noticeably longer real-world battery life. So, let's address the price. Advanced displays, 2nm silicon, and device AI, all signs point to a higher price. This could be the most balanced, capable flagship of 2026, because as more leaks surface, this story is only getting started. Thanks for watching.